This video will show you a quick way to check the purge valve and replace it to clear code P0456. The process should be the same for 2011 through 2017 Ford Explorers. My model has a 3.5 liter non-turbo engine. Let's begin. Begin by opening and propping the hood. Remove the foam engine cover held on by a twist knob on the right and push tab on the left. You may need to remove the oil cap as well. The purge valve is located just under the right side of the cover. It has a green tab on it. Remove the electrical connection by pushing firmly on the tab with your thumb and pulling the female connector. Use an 8mm socket to loosen and remove the two bolts. Pull the purge valve off the engine and remove the green tab by squeezing the little tabs while pushing them in. The valve is supposed to be completely closed without power. You can test it by blowing through either end. If you hear air coming through, it's getting stuck and should be replaced. Compare it to the new part, which has no air coming through whatsoever. Your new part may be unassembled with loose rubber and metal mounts. Assemble the mounts by comparing to the original part. Begin to put everything back in reverse by placing the hose on and locking the green tab. Place the valve back on the engine, put the bolts back in place, and connect the female port. Place the foam cover back on and secure it on both sides. That, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the easier emission system leak fixes I've encountered. Consider yourselves lucky. The other common issue is the gas cap sticking. You may want to check out a video on that first. Safe driving, and God bless.